Hi, the guys at Mosen Music sent me these guitar stands so that I could use them, review them, and tell you a little bit about them. And I'm super excited for many reasons. First of all, you saw that how sturdily made they are. You see? These are rubberized and padded. The shoes are also rubberized, right? It's made out of metal, really die-cast metal, really strong. This is rubberized, and I'll show you the importance of that. And I love the shape and how it folds. You see? Very, very small. Compact, but it does the job. You go like this, you open it up, you see? Now it's open, and then you go like this, you set it up, right? And you put your guitar on that, and you see it sits really nice and comfortably there. It's wide enough for anything. This is a short scale bass, which I play more than guitar, and you put it right there, and right here it won't scratch the guitar because this is rubberized, so it's perfect. So I love how it works. It keeps the guitar safe and nicely, nicely protected. That's for you guys that keep it at home, right? But what I like the most about this, I'll show you, is that it is so compact that you fold it, and then you take your gig bag, right, your guitar bag, and you put it in there like this. There you go. You see? It fits right on the guitar bag. The straps of the guitar on the back here. That's how I use it. So I take my bag, I put the stand right there, and it's perfect because then you can take it with you, and when you're gigging, you can set your guitar down. Now, those are all the wonderful things about it. But now I'm going to show you how to put it together. And it's really, really simple, right? It comes with everything you need for setting it up, right? And I'm going to show you. So it comes taken apart like this. This is the main piece. These are the strips for like laying the guitar on them. And these are the rubberized legs, and it's really, really simple, right? So I'll show you, and it comes with all the tools that you need to put it together. I'm going to show you how fast these are assembled. And they come, when you order them, they come in twos, right? So you're going to have two of them. Okay, so the first thing is, you see, you're going to install this, and you put this through the weird shape hole. You put this flat, it goes flat in there, right? You go like that, and you fold it right there. You see that? Let me do it again. You go like that, put it in there, and fold it. And then you take this little one right here, right? It's a little one right here, and you put it through the hole, right? And there you go. This is set up here. And then you do it with the other one, right? You put it through here, like that. You see that? And then you take the knot, right? And the good thing about this is that it's sturdy, right? Everything's made out of metal. And you gotta, you can buy several couples of these stands, right? And then you're gonna be set, because who has just one guitar or two? I'm not a guitarist, and I have 5 guitars, and I have 2 basses, so you guys know how it works. You guys know how it works. So then the next step is you present it here, and you take this screw, you put it through here, doesn't matter what side. You put it through here like that. You see that? And then you screw it here. And what's cool about this is that it comes with the Allen wrench, because first you hand tighten. And with all these metal products, it's very important to tighten it, but not to over tighten, because you can strip you. So you go until if you feel some resistance, and that's it, because you don't want to strip the thread on the screw, right, on the other side. If you do that, you ruin the thing. So you do it on the other side. You hand tighten it first all the way down there, right? And then the last turns, it has the Allen wrench, and there you go. You tighten it till it's nice and flush. Don't remember, no over tightening. You hear it till it's nice and flush and tight. Then you go here, it's the same, and you tighten it till it's nice and flush. And there you go. I put it together. You see, this is super well made, right? Super well made. Take a really good look at it. I am so happy that I have these, because I'm gonna use these, and I'm gonna buy more, because I have 7 guitar instruments here. Right? And the guys at Mosen Music, they always do a great job with everything they make. I reviewed other products here, and I'm so happily surprised with the quality of their products. And remember, when you want to put this away, you fold here, and there you go. Nice and thin. You can put it away anywhere. Take it with you in a gig bag, or just keep it at home, right? Because at home, with all your guitars, you want to have your guitars there, so that every time you want to play something, you know, you can pick it up. You don't want those guitars put away, because then if they're put away, they're not inviting you to play them, and guitars are made for playing them. So to the guys at Mosen Music, thank you for sponsoring that video and sending me the stuff for me to review it. I super enjoyed it. I've been playing a lot of music this Christmas, and I used it with me. I took it with me in my gig bag, and I love it. It's super recommended.